back to another vlog. I'm actually at my parents' house. Chris and I got here yesterday. We're literally only here for 2 days. We're gonna leave tomorrow, but today is Chris's birthday and he really wanted to come since he has off a couple of days. So we came here yesterday. We went actually to an ugly Christmas sweater party. And then today we're just gonna hang out and celebrate his birthday. He's took Max on a walk. Oh my god. Wait, this is the first time my baby's seeing snow this year. Maxie, do you like the snow? Oh my god, it is too cold. I gotta get back in. Oh my god, did he pee?
Yeah, he peed a lot.
Okay, good. Careful, I don't want him to run out. We're gonna go get some coffee to start our day. We're gonna go visit Chris's parents. And then later tonight, we're gonna go to dinner with our friends, I think. Is that the plan?
Yep, that's the plan.
Alright, darling. Should we be really fancy and get McDonald's?
Ooh. I know, splurge.
Oh my god, you do that for me? I would, honey. Only the best for you. Come say hi to my vlog. Look at my angel. I stayed an extra day to spend some time with her.
Oh my god. Max can't see two people like having fun without him. Also, he really missed Ayla. Okay. Ooh, does our hair look the same? Because of the waves? Wow, your waves are, they're so pretty. They're like tighter. Oh, mine are fake waves. I created these. We're gonna order food because I don't have my car here. We came in one car and Chris went to go see his parents. So, Max, can you not? So I'm back home now. We actually got home super late last night, like at midnight. And this morning I got up and I decided it should be a full-on filming day. I filmed this makeup look. I actually filmed it with a different lipstick because I wanted it to be a bolder lip. So I filmed this makeup look. Hopefully that will be up soon. I'm gonna edit that video for next week. And then right now I just switched up my lipstick color and I'm gonna film a try on haul that I have been meaning to film now for like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna start filming that because tomorrow I wanna film a different try on haul. So I'm just trying to like get a head start on all of the filming that I have to do this week because December is such a crazy busy month and I feel like it goes by so quickly. So I'm just trying to get everything done. I lost the light super early today. It's only 3:30 and even though it looks like really bright as I'm getting closer to the window, it's a really gloomy day. So I have to actually double check to see how the lighting is in my room for the try on haul. If not, I'll have to just film early tomorrow. But I'm also starving. I haven't had anything to eat. I ordered on, when was it? I never sit in this chair. On Cyber Monday, I placed an order on HelloFresh, which is that meal delivery service, but they send you the ingredients and the instructions and then you cook it yourself. So I took advantage of their Cyber Monday sale and it was supposed to arrive today, but it's still not here. So I'm afraid that it's gonna get here pretty late. So I might have to just get something to eat in the meantime and then just cook it, whatever I get from HelloFresh tomorrow, because I kind of wanted to include the cooking in this video. So we might do that tomorrow. I'm really excited and also nervous. I suck in the kitchen. I keep trying and then I stop. And I just don't feel like I'm that great. And it's been a bit discouraging for me because I keep trying and I feel like, I don't know, it feels difficult for me to cook. Does anyone else have that issue? I feel like everyone I see, they're like they're great in the kitchen. They're whipping up these amazing 3-course meals and I can barely get it together. So I decided to give HelloFresh a try so that I could maybe get back in the swing of things of cooking, because I've been making meals, but it's usually like really simple things, and right now we have no groceries. So I was like, all right, we got to get our lives together and have some home cooked meals and maybe get better at cooking, because I feel like when I get discouraged then I don't want to make anything. So I'm gonna give that a try, and hopefully it'll like get me motivated again to learn how to cook. Somebody recommended that sorry, Max brought his toy to me. He wants me to play with him. It's right there, Maxie. Someone recommended that I take a cooking class, which I think would be a really fun idea. So I'm gonna look up some cooking classes by me and maybe do one where like both Chris and I can take the class together, because I feel like that would be like a fun date night / actually learn some more tricks on how to cook. My mom has taught me so much, but I feel like I can't cook like her. Like, she's such a good cook. So yeah, I think that would be something, that's something that I'm actively looking for, is a cooking class. I briefly looked some up yesterday and I found some really fun ones for like couples cooking. So I just got to figure out our schedules and pick a place that we might go and do a cooking class. Maxie! You just want to play today? Ready? Go! Oh, it didn't go that far. It's not that heavy of a toy. I was able to film my haul. I just changed clothes. I just put on this big t-shirt. Just because it was the first thing I could grab. And I'm gonna go take Max on a walk. And guess what? Something else, another update. I was telling you guys that I ordered HelloFresh, but it was supposed to get here today. I just got an email from them that they're actually experiencing delays. So I'm gonna go get something to eat right now. It's like about to be 5 o'clock. It's 4:45. It's 4:45 p.m. at the moment. And Maxie, where you going? He's like trying to run away from me. I gotta put your leash on, honey. So yeah, I don't think my HelloFresh is gonna get here today at all. But I mean, I'm guessing it'll be here tomorrow because it was already on its way. So I'm guessing it's gonna be here by tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be able to do the whole little cooking. Cook with me. Maybe we'll do a cooking segment and maybe it'll turn out amazing. But yeah, I'm kind of sad. I was really excited to do the HelloFresh, but you know what? I'm tired anyways. I was filming all day and now I just want to get something to eat. This is why I need to meal prep. I do better when I meal prep and like I pre-plan my meals, because I always wait till the last minute to eat and then I get really, really hungry and then I get hangry and tired, and yeah. Anyways, I have been dreading going outside all day because it is just the coldest day ever. Did I put this on right? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Come on, let's go, baby. Oh, I also gotta go to the office and pick up some packages. Let's go. Let's get this show on the road, honey. Yesterday, as you guys know, I filmed a makeup tutorial, which I was so excited about. But when I was looking over all of the footage, because I was going to start editing last night, I was looking over all of the footage and I hated how it looked on camera. Like, I just really hated how it turned out. So I'm refilming again today. I'm not going to use that footage. But I think I'm going to film something different. I have something different in mind, and then tomorrow or another day I'll just try to kind of refilm that same color scheme that I had going on yesterday, because I really did love the colors that I used. I just wanted to do something different today. I'm in a different vibe. not filming the makeup tutorial. I just was not feeling well, you guys. I woke up, what am I doing? Sorry, I'm gonna start packing orders for Sunday Energy right now actually, but I wasn't feeling that great. But I still wanted to get ready because I feel like I'm more productive when I get ready, and like, you know, you kind of just force yourself to feel better. Okay, this tripod. Get it together, honey. So yeah, I still wanted to just get ready just so that I wanted to do a few things for Instagram stories, and I'm gonna pack orders. I have time to film the video anyways. I wasn't planning on posting it until next week, so I'm just gonna film it this weekend. Sorry, I have to get some items for Sunday Energy. Very excited to get these orders out. This came in such handy. Oh my god, I still have the tag on it. I've had it for like 2 weeks now. It came in handy. I've been storing all of like the little materials and marketing materials and all of that on here, and then I just have to roll it into the living room when I want to pack orders. Oh, and I just got off Instagram stories and I announced a new ring that will be coming to Sunday Energy. Let me actually grab it. This is the ring right here. I have 2 of them on, but I have it in gold and in silver. She is called She's Fancy. This is an eternity ring. There we go. Look at how gorgeous she is. I just feel like the ring is so perfect for the holiday season. If you're gonna be going to parties, even if you're gonna be sitting in the sala, like for Christmas, we are going to my mom's house and we will be sitting in the sala celebrating. But so what? You still want to slay, you still want to stunt on all of your relatives. And I love this ring. The thing with the ring is that we're only gonna have it in size 7 and 8 at first. Hopefully we will get more sizes soon, but we only have it in 7 and 8. I'm so sorry, you guys. But I feel like it still works. I typically wear a 6 in this hand and I'm wearing the size 7, and in this hand I will wear a 5, and it's not too bad. Like, it's not like completely coming off. Like if I wear it in my pinky, it would fall off, but you could still kind of make it work, or wear it like in different fingers. Okay, the 7 does not fit on this finger. I would need an 8 for this one, but depending on what size you get, you can wear it. Like, it's gonna vary on what finger you wear it with. But I love it. I feel like she's just so fancy. Like, I'm really excited about these. I'm hoping we will have them next week. Depending on when this vlog is up, I will let you, like, I'll write it in the caption or something if it's officially live. But I'm gonna put it on the website right now just so that you guys can have like all of the information on it, sizing, price, and all of that. So check out shopsundayenergy.com. I will link it below, and you guys will be able to check out the ring and hopefully buy it by the time this video vlog is up. Hopefully she is also up. I'm gonna go pack the rest of the Sunday Energy orders, and then we're gonna head out because I actually have to go out. We're gonna stop by the post office. I have to drop these orders off, and as you can see back here, that is a ginormous box. It wouldn't fit in my trunk. That's how big it is, and it's kind of heavy for me to take upstairs, so I'm waiting for Chris to get out of work today. You know what? I gotta put you guys down. I picked up that box from the office, and it was so much, it gave me so much trouble to even put it in my car, like take it from the office to my car, because it's not that heavy, but the box is so wide and my arms are just not long enough to really wrap around the box and carry it. So I'm waiting for Chris to get out of work later today. You guys will see what it is. I'm very, very excited for it. Very, very excited for this box. I wish it was upstairs already.
Where the fuck are we gonna put that?
I have never been more excited about a trash can. You have no idea how much I hate our current trash can. It's so small. Yes, it'll fit. We've had the same trash can for like since we moved here, and it's just so small, and I feel like I take the trash out almost every other day or every day because it gets full so quickly. It's so small, you guys. And now we have this beauty. The brand is Simple Human, and I got it on sale over Black Friday. Look at it. Fits perfect. Look at this beautifulness. I've never been so excited for a freaking trash can. This is how you know you're officially an adult, when you get excited over a new trash can, okay? This is so interesting. I got this pack of dark chocolate hot chocolate sticks from Trader Joe's, and for some reason I thought it was like little powder packets, but this is actually a bar of chocolate that you can either eat or you can put in some steamed milk and make hot chocolate with. Let's see how this is. It's really good, you guys. The whipped cream I'm not loving. I think I'm gonna try one of those like coconut whipped creams because I don't like how the whipped cream is tasting like real milk. I didn't even register that when I was purchasing it. So I'm gonna try one of those non-dairy whipped creams next time. By the way, little update on HelloFresh. They actually sent me another email today saying that my order isn't gonna arrive at all this week. I don't know why. But they also said that they were apologized and they're giving me a full refund. So that's really nice. I'm not really too upset, especially since they've been updating me every single day and they refunded me. So the little cooking HelloFresh segment will have to be continued in the next vlog, I'm pretty sure, because now I don't know when it's arriving. By the way, the rings are called She's Fancy. They will be available on my website on Tuesday, so make sure you're following Shop Sunday Energy on Instagram. I will be listing all of the information and the exact time when the rings will be available, but yeah, they'll be up on Tuesday. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna close the vlog here so that I can play with Max. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.